Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search at the right bottom. Then click at the search at the top and write XIAOMI. Now search, scroll down just a bit, and right here we have the application and you need to install it, what's called XIAOMI Earbuds. Now open it, click read and agree. Select your origin key here by click on it and you can use the search or find it at the list and then click next. I'm going to skip it, but you can click next, it's up to you, and right here we need to allow it. And that's it. In the next video we'll we'll add these earbuds to the application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check that video. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!